de Marques de Oliveira. Narrow streets of Macau. Oh, the lovely streets of Macau. Walking down Beco de Marques de Oliveira. Oh yeah, oh Beco de Marques de Oliveira. Oh, those damn beautiful alleys of Macau. Beautiful alleys of Macau. Beautiful alleys of Macau. Walking down those narrow alleys of old Macau. Walking down BG Marques de Oliveira. Meandering down Beco de Marques de Oliveira. Checking out Beco de Marques de Oliveira. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just walking down Beco de Marques de Oliveira.
I don't think I filmed this one, but this is this tiny little alley that goes all the way down like that. It's really narrow. And just to give you a little context, we were in this area, I guess in Chinese it's like Gosida, I think I'm mispronouncing it. So we're kind of all this little labyrinth of interesting kind of block buildings. That's the cross street that we're going to be at. And we're going to go down that little alley. We'll just kind of give you some context. Yeah, that little street right there is going to be our target street. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So we got a little Beco. Let's just kind of walk up slightly. We're just going to give you some context just so you can see. There's kind of a labyrinth of small little streets that are kind of nearby to each other. This area is kind of an interesting area. Just the whole vibe of it. Not too far away is this one marketplace. Here's even a small block that's just isolated by itself even. Let's go back to our space. And yeah, you can see more down that way too. Some kind of cool looking balconies. It's gonna go all the way down this way. The street. Let's see what, I'm not sure. This street, I think it goes up to Kyungwoo Hospital. So if you go all the way up there, it's Kyungwoo Hospital. And over there is a theater. So there's one of the oldest theaters is right there called Cinema Alegria. So let's take a look at our Beco. We'll also see what's on the other side as well. So there's a main street with the same one. I think I've probably filmed that, but I'm not 100% sure. But I want to kind of document all the different places in Macau. It's like you can park some scooters in here. Here we are. Cake shop. Here's a little Hot Wheels place right in here. So this will also lead into some other parallel streets in here. I think it's been a while since I've been in this area. You can see all the rooftops up there as well. And it opens up into this little space. Music. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. I guess we'll go up. Looks like there's a food cake shop right there as well. Flower shop. I can also hear some karaoke, so it keeps on going down this way. So you got that little space like that. Doing some rooftops way up there as well. Okay, let's go on down. Somebody has their laundry up. So anyways, kind of get an idea of what some of these little alleys look like in Macau. Coming up, and we have all these little balconies as well. Let's go across. We'll take a look at it from this side. So there's our little alley. It goes all the way through there. And I think we have another street. This is called a Beco, and there's also a street. And it should be, I saw it on the map, so it's gonna be one of these, but I'm just not sure. We'll just take a look around. So that was our target street, and I can't really identify where the main street is at, the Hua, but that was the little Beco. Okay. Child star. So let's end right there.